Hey guys, welcome back to today's Dollar Tree haul. It's been a while since I've done the Dollar Tree haul, and I figured what would be a better time to do a Dollar Tree haul and kick off Christmas with some good old hauling of the products for Christmas. I have no idea what I just said there. I stumbled across a couple of videos of people doing Dollar Tree hauls, and I got really inspired to go and check out my local Dollar Tree. I have quite a few in my area, so I only went to 2 this year, and I got a pretty darn good selection, I would say. Before we get diving into this video, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys are already subscribed, well, thank you so much for tuning in. And just make sure to hit that notification bell. That way, anytime I upload a video, which will be Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays on my channel, then you guys will get notified right when it uploads. So I want to show you guys this stuff. You guys can see I've just got bags of stuff thrown back there, but we're gonna get started with ornaments. I redid my entire tree. My tree used to be silver and blue, and now I'm doing the traditional colors, but I'm adding more of like the burlap and the more farmhousey kind of a thing. We'll start off with these little red candy canes, and it's got this little wreath right in the front. It does say joy underneath it, but you can't really see it, which I'm okay with. Some of them had the glitter ripped off of them just from brushing up against each other, so it was a little bit difficult to find the ones with a lot of glitter on it, and so I only got about 3 or 4 of these. If you love burlap, I think you're really gonna love the holiday ornaments that they have this year. I picked up these sleds. I love the burlap overlay that it does on it. I mean, these are super cute, right? I ended up picking up about 6 of these. I wanted to get as many as I could because I absolutely love these. These were my favorite ones. This is definitely the color and the vibe that I'm going for my Christmas tree. I have like the plain brown paper wrapping for my Christmas presents, and then I have like the decorated bows and stuff like that. So, and then the last set of ornaments I ended up picking up were the reindeer heads. These came in 2 different colors. It was a gold and then a white, and they both had glitter on them. These were the reason why I wanted to go and look for ornaments. I saw somebody else haul these, and I just thought they were so beautiful. I don't even know where I'm gonna hang these. Both of my kids have Christmas trees in their room. My daughter has a pink one and my son has a blue one. And so I was really excited. I found these. These are LED battery operated, and they're lights, and they're little star lights, and they come in a set of 10. This here is a little plastic jar that has a lid. I wanted it to be glass. It's not glass, but then the more I thought about it, the more I was like, you know, I'm actually okay with it because I haven't decided yet. It's either gonna be filled with candy or I'm gonna put it in my coffee bar and I'm gonna put sugar in it, and I just thought it would be a really cute little Christmassy touch for the season. These were another really great little item that I found at the Dollar Tree. I was actually really impressed with these. These were almost all gone. They were right next to the dishes, but if you guys see these, I would definitely pick these up because these are really great quality. They have a little gem and then it's glitter all the way around, but I thought this would be really great as part of your flat lay on your, you know, dining room table or your Christmas table or wherever it is, and then you could put a little tea light inside of it. So I did end up picking up a set of chargers. I have white plates with a silver emblem on it, and I just thought that these would look really great. I've really wanted to get chargers for a long time. I explained it to my husband. He had no idea what the hell I was talking about, but I was like, you know what, my mom will understand. And my mom actually has a set just like this that she picked up at Macy's or something. I mean, she spent quite a bit of money. So I texted her a picture of this and I was like, what your girl got? And she was like, are you kidding me? I also was able to find these. Now, I don't know if this is a more holiday only, but these were at the food section in the Dollar Tree, and these here are the Martinelli sparkling ciders. I picked up one for each of my kids, and I just thought it was a really cute little special touch to add to their, next to their dinner plate, so that when we do, like when we do our toast for Thanksgiving, they could feel like they're kind of a part of it, and they get really excited because we don't allow soda in our house, so when we get anything like this is like a huge, huge treat. Of course, I picked up candy canes, you guys. Like, that is the one thing I love. And I don't even put these on my tree because they probably will last there for about a day. We have 2 long drives that we're going to be doing this holiday season, so I decided to stock up on some like car stuff that the kids can do in the car while we're driving down there so I don't lose my mind. Now, these are adorable. If you guys have little babies, you guys would love these. These here are the Crayola Pipsqueaks. They also had this cute little journal. So they had puppies and kittens, and my daughter's obsessed with kittens. And it comes with a cute little journal, and then it has a little pen that comes with it, and I thought this was just, it was just really cute. They had a few of these little, what are these, SpongeBob SquarePants 6 color pens. You guys remember these? They had a really great assortment of power packs, and they actually had some car appropriate games for the kids, which I thought was great. I ended up picking up 2 of these little power pack little playbooks, and these here are Transformers, and then I got a Tonka one for my son. I also picked up a Shopkins, and this here is like a sticker book. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is called like a laser art kit. It had markers, and then it has like, I don't know, they just color on it, and I figured it would keep my son busy since it's got cranes and trucks on it. I ended up picking up this for my daughter. This was super nostalgic for me when I saw this, because when this came out, this was by Lisa Frank, I had the big one. I think they were like $5. I had a unicorn and some magical other thing. I don't remember what it was. And then I also have these. And now these are something that I had found through my daughter's Girl Scouts. I've never seen this before, and I was really excited. The girls that I had talked to said that they got theirs at Michael's or something, but I found these at the dollar store. And these are little mosaic, little art, stick-on arts, and you take these little stickers and you basically stick them on, it's basically color by number with little stickers, and my son and daughter love this so much. They will spend an hour to 2 hours doing this, and this entire sheet will last my kids, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour, and they just take their time. And so we have a bunch of this artwork like up on our art board, and they absolutely love it. And so I saw these and I thought this was such a great thing to do in the car. And then we have these, which my girlfriend keeps in her car at all times. And so when I found these, I was really excited, and they come with 2 different sides. So I decided to get one for each of the kids, and I figured they're gonna love this so much. I found these, which, you know, if you're a mom, you understand that anything character related is super awesome for your kids, and it entices your kids to want to use them. And so I like to buy these for my kids for brushing their teeth. They had only the Mickey Roadster, they had Princess, and then they had Mickey and Minnie. And so I picked up one for the girl, one for the boy. I really needed to get a notepad for grocery, like a grocery list, and I found these, you guys. And right now they're coming out with a bunch of their like calendars and planners and stuff like that, and they had an entire collection, and it's got a beautiful little reindeer head on it, and it's got roses. So I ended up picking up 2. I picked up one for upstairs to put on my refrigerator, and then the other one just in case. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it down here or something, but these were really pretty. They had an entire collection of different things with this kind of design on it. The only thing I did not pick up was wrapping paper, and that is simply because I personally do not like wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree. I've used it before and it rips really easy, and because we travel, I need something very sturdy so it doesn't rip. Last year I used the Dollar Tree wrapping paper for my kids' presents, and we didn't even get halfway through the trip, and like half of them they kind of already knew what they were getting. So this year I'm picking up my wrapping paper only at Hobby Lobby, but I plan to go to Hobby Lobby when I get back from Thanksgiving vacation and do another haul there. So if you guys want to see a Hobby Lobby haul, give this video a thumbs up, and you guys can see my shopping adventures there. And lastly, the other thing I wasn't able to pick up, which they didn't have out yet, were their holiday bags. And I know myself that a bunch of us love those holiday bags, because myself and 2 other ladies while we were there were all asking where the holiday bags were, and they were saying that they had just so much Christmas stuff that they were waiting until that Christmas stuff was off the shelves, and then they would put up the second section. Like the girl was telling us that she was like, until this stuff comes down, I can't put anything else up, because she had carts of just random stuff like everywhere, and she's like, we just don't have room for it. And I was like, but everybody comes for your holiday bags. Anyways, I'll probably have to go back and try to find those there, but those are pretty top notch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree Christmas haul, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys have hit up your local Dollar Tree yet and what you guys have found that's been a steal. I love going to the Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm like, oh, I love it. I always feel so good about myself when like she's like, your total is $34, and I'm like, I did that. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. Before you head out, please make sure to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed yet. And if you are, thank you again for watching this video. And I will see you guys all after the holidays. Bye.